Hi guys! Good morning! It's around 7 a.m. here at Marriott Resort and Spa in Rayong province. This is 3 hours and a half drive from Bangkok. And this is in the eastern part of Thailand. So let me give you a tour because this room is only one in each floor. This building has 11th floor. I am on the 10th floor. My son now is on the 9th floor, just below me, and Little is on the 7th floor. Daniel is not around and Bon because Danny has school and Bon also has work. So we were here since yesterday and today is on a Monday. So let me show you around the view and what they have in this room. So in case you want to have an R&R, this is so suitable for an R&R or a staycation if you just want to stay in the resort and then enjoy their spa. It's a massive place, I'm telling you. This is our second time here. The last time I was here was in 2014. I wasn't dating Bon yet. And Daniel was just around, I think he was just 11 years old. So yeah, let me show you around. And this is not sponsored. I just like to recommend places that I thought it's worth recommending. So here we go. So this room is at the corner and there's only one room like this on each floor. So here it is. I just had a hot bath. This is what I'm using actually for now and I'm happy with it. I just had a bubble bath, feeling refreshed, early morning, and shower. They have rain. I share you my to-go skincare. By the way, this is really an amazing product. So here we go, and actually you can close this partition. As you can see, I always take Didi with me. Donald Duck is my favorite character since ever. And this Didi was given to me by Toro during our trip in Hong Kong, Disneyland, years ago. So as you can see, I closed the partition and now I'm opening it up again so you can have a good perspective. So you can see now, really spaced, you know. I love space and also minimalism. I'm on the 10th floor. Beautiful, isn't it? So for me, this is really a good place for staycation when you do not want to go out. You just want to stay in the resort and chill. And what I like about Rayong and Chonburi province, they are not far from Bangkok. So as I said earlier, it's 3.5 hours drive from Bangkok and 2 hours drive from Chonburi province. So here's the view. And that's the spa. So their swimming pool, infinity swimming pool by the beach, opens only during the weekends. So thankfully we were able to enjoy that poolside because we were here yesterday, Sunday. They have a sort of a lagoon, artificial lagoon. Sliders. It's really nature tripping here. So friends abroad, after COVID, you want to have a nice staycation and spa. Perhaps this is the resort right for you. If you do not want to fly or go farther, because Phuket is an hour flight from Bangkok, and then I think 8 hours drive from Bangkok. This is it for now. This is around 7 a.m. From time to time, we really need to have an R&R, you know. Although my home in Chonburi is just 5 minutes to the Long Beach, and it's also a touristy area, but then there's nothing like also you get away from it all, like taking a break to recharge. And this is our first staycation in year 2020 since we arrived from our trip abroad last January. So it's really refreshing. Okay guys, I love you. Remember, the joy of the Lord is our strength, and Jesus said, I come to give you life and give it to you abundantly. So cheers.